Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix NFC tag not working problem on your iPhone in iOS 26. So guys, if the NFC tag is not working on your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and from here scroll it below and go to general and scroll it below and go to software update and update your software to the latest version. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, simply update it, and after this go back and now go to airdrop, and from here you have to simply turn on this toggle for bringing devices together. So guys, here you can see this. If it is off, you have to simply turn it on, and after this go back and now check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then restart your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to date and time and set your date and time. From here again go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all settings of your device for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open this support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.